Can I stretch my Crocs?
Hello there. Are your Crocs feeling a bit too snug? Are you wondering if it's possible to stretch them out for a more comfortable fit? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss how to stretch your Crocs without damaging them.
Can you stretch your Crocs?
The first thing to know is, yes, you can stretch your Crocs. Crocs are made from a material called Croslite, a proprietary closed-cell resin. This material is flexible and can be stretched to some extent. But, be careful. Too much stretching can cause the shoes to lose their shape or even tear, so it's important to do it correctly.
How to stretch your Crocs?
So, how can you stretch your Crocs? Here are some methods. 1. Heat method. Crocs can be slightly expanded with heat, which makes the Croslite material more flexible. You can use a hairdryer for this. Warm up the tight areas of your Crocs carefully, then wear them with a pair of thick socks until they cool down. Repeat the process if necessary, but be cautious not to overheat your Crocs as it can damage them. 2. Freezing method. Another method involves the use of water and your freezer. Fill freezer bags with water, place them inside your Crocs, and then put them in the freezer. As the water freezes, it expands and so does the shoe. However, this method should be used with caution to avoid overstretching. Remember, both methods should be used sparingly and carefully to avoid damaging your shoes.
What if my Crocs are still too tight?
If your Crocs are still too tight after trying these methods, it might be best to consider purchasing a larger size. Constantly stretching your Crocs may lead to them losing their shape or durability. There you have it. Now you know how to stretch your Crocs for a more comfortable fit. Always remember to be gentle and patient with the process to maintain the integrity of your shoes. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you comfortable and happy feet in your perfectly fitting Crocs.